Happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So first up today, it is a awesome WordPress update. Before we get into that, if you didn't know this, we have killer, and I'm talking killer WordPress hosting. It is awesome. It's super fast. It's super scalable. It's built off the same infrastructure as the largest WordPress hosting companies in the entire world, and it is amazing. So on that note, today we're updating that with even more features. Yes, this is a blurry screenshot, but that's all I got. This is the WordPress debugging, and you can see right here, it's very simple. You disable or enable it. So let's cover this out, and I'll show you all a bunch of other stuff too. Now the screenshots get nicer. Look at that. So now this feature empowers users with greater control and insight in their website workings by enabling the display of PHP errors. So if you know about WordPress, it's built on PHP. When there's an error, you can choose to hide it or show it. With a PHP debugging, you can turn this on. And so when you're trying to actually debug and figure out what's going on, you can actually turn on those errors and see them at the top so you do your debugging. So that is amazing. If you haven't also seen this, we also have the plugins section. So you can actually enable or disable plugins right from the interface here. You can update them. You can see if they're active. You can actually delete them. Really killer job by the team making this happen. I think they just continue to make the experience here radically better, and you can do the same darn thing for themes, right? This is so cool. So brand new UI enhancements here, making things a lot easier. Obviously, updating the UI here for the users just to track what it is that, along with the UI, UX that we've been rolling out across the system. So this is now live on the WordPress side, so they did a great job of that. And you can obviously see the same thing on the backup section as well, just updating that UI UX. Now, so that is today's announcement. Now, real quick, coming up next, you can see upcoming releases right-hand side, WordPress site and visitor analytics in public beta. That will be our brand new next release on the WordPress side in probably the next couple of weeks. So anyways, on that note, I hope you are as excited about this as I am. If you didn't know about WordPress, go check it out. It is fantastic. And by the way, don't forget that we're not just like, it's not just something that you can use. You're also marking it up and selling it to your clients. You are making profit on this. And for those of you who don't do WordPress today and you're thinking, why would I ever do this? Or how would I do this? It's really, really simple. You run across somebody tomorrow who has a website that's on WordPress and you're like, shoot, they don't want to rebuild it. It's already on WordPress. How do I make a sale here? It's very simple. You say, hey, listen, do you want your website to rank higher on Google? Everyone's going to say, oh, of course I do. Well, fantastic. We'll tell you what, I'm going to just take your existing site. I'm going to move it over to my WordPress. And based on the fact that the performance is higher, you're now automatically going to rank higher on Google. And right there, you've brought them into your high level. You've already made a sale. You're delivering revenue right there. That right there is an amazing foot in the door. So anyways, for anybody who's wondering how to sell that, that is exactly how I would do it. So on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.